What's up, everybody? Good evening. We are going to be opening up another booster box of Paldea Evolved. Pretty happy and excited with this set. I've got some of my previous pulls back here. I just like that card. But some of my previous pulls back here, I've had some really good pull rates with these, so I am going to go ahead and get started. Made a little cut here so I could open this booster box a little easier right before we started. So hopefully we are going to have some more really good pulls out of this booster box. Oh, minty fresh. So pretty. All right. 36 new packs ready for the opening. All right, guys, may the blessed be the Pokemon pull rates. All right, here we go. Hopefully we can pull that Magikarp. That's one of the cards that I'm really looking forward to. I know in the first video I talked about how I did not look to see what cards were being pulled and stuff like that, what, you know, what's involved in them, or, you know, the art and everything. But I did find out that I did go look, and that Magikarp is in this set, so I'm really on the hunt for that Magikarp. All right, and nice. Not a bad way to start this off. Been looking at comps on that card, and the card's been doing pretty well on itself. So let's see. There's still some decent artwork in these cards. Pretty happy with the way that they've started to look. They're using the old Japanese version of it, you know, with the silver borders. I'm still pretty excited about that. Glad they've moved that way. All right, let's see. Looks like we got something back there. Oh, that's pretty. Everybody's talking about that card too. That is a decent pull, guys. Let's see if we can get you guys to see that in light. Just the shine of those. I'm loving these. Yep, got some good pulls the first time, so thought I would crack open some more and see what we can pull here. Well, there's a Magikarp, not the one we're looking for though. And Wigglytuff. Also, somebody messaged me and asked me about the GX, or excuse me, the EX Pikachu. Yeah, as I said in the other video, I'm really kind of surprised that they, you know, I'm really happy, not surprised, but I'm really happy that they're using Pikachu more than just as a promo card. It's about time that he got some action outside of a promo box, you know? So tell me, guys, in the comments, what cards are you guys hoping to pull from this set? Seems to be a pretty good set so far as pull rates go, but these again are the first set of booster boxes that went out, so let's see what we got here. Oh, ring. I love when they do that. They give you the regular card and the shiny. That's with a reverse holo. think that's kind of funny. Never gonna get tired of opening packs. I tell you, it's just fun. All right. Spirit Ball. This is one of the very first Pokemons that I got when I started playing Pokemon Go. Let's see. And nothing outstanding about that one. Yeah, I got some 151 coming in from Japan here shortly. Oh, we got something there. Let's see what we got. Oh, double hit. Nice. Nice. You guys see that? It's nice. Nice double hit there. Yeah, I'm kind of excited about opening their 151. As I said, I hope they're bringing it to the English market, because that's going to be a pretty knockout set. Really hoping that they don't do, you know, original cards. Those have been played out, but hoping that they somewhat do something that'll be an homage to the old original 151. What we got? Magikarp. Can he be in this one? No, he's not in this one. I think that's more the card I want to pull than any of them, is that Magikarp. Alright, let's see. And nothing. Maybe that one, there's a couple of cards are the cat's meow. Ha ha ha. I'm being a meow. Alright, we'll see. And nothing. Alright, we're overdue for a good pull here. Something exciting. Alright. Nice. There you go. That's a good pull. Let's take a look at that one. So that's a decent one. I like him. I pulled his other card back here earlier. See that one. That one is that other artwork. Love that. Love full arts. That was a decent pull. We were overdue for it, so. Alright. I've been looking to see. So usually what I do is when I decide to go look, I go look at TCGs, like the top 10 cards out of a new set or something like that. So that's what I've been kind of doing here, is looking to see what the top cards are and looking at their artwork. And that's when I saw the Magikarp, the one that is in, I believe it's in, I think it's in Triple Beat, if I'm not mistaken, in the Japanese version. And I knew about it there, but I did not know it was in this one, because I try to stay away from the spoilers of the sets when they come out. And I saw it and was like, yeah, that's one I want to pull. All right, halfway done. No Magikarp yet. Maybe this side of the box is the one with all the bangers in it. Let's see. Something's hiding back here. Nope, there we go. Belly Bolt EX. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not a bad card. I really like that EXs have come back. I like the EXs, the GX cards. All those look, there's just something about them that makes them look really well. It's like they really take their time in those cards. All right. Nothing exciting there. All right, let's see. Another Magikarp that way, but not the one we're on the hunt for. Not the one we're on the hunt for. Hopefully this area is looking a little bit better. I got a ring light that shine a little bit better. Some people had told me that it was hard to see. It wasn't bright enough or whatever. Oh, looks like we got a gold basic energy. That is not bad. Add that with our other one there. Our plant one. I've been sending a lot of those energies off to go get graded. Also, something I didn't know about those V-Star cards that came in like the older Sword and Shield. The V-Star ones had, we got something here too. Nice. Nice. You know what? Like, if you look at it, it looks like they're doing the same thing they did with the other set. Looks like they're doing a scene. Like, all the cards will make some sort of scene. I don't know yet. I haven't opened up really enough packs to get as many to make the scene or look and see if there is a scene. But. And nothing outstanding. But anyway, as I was saying, those V-Star cards that came in like the old Sword and Shield, like battles, Brilliant Stars, like Lost Origin, Astral Radiance. Those cards have been being blown up when you send them in to get graded. Apparently, they're really hard to come by graded, and a lot of people are sending them in and getting 10s and selling them for a pretty decent price. So I've got a couple I'm about to send in and see what kind of magic I can get. Let's see. That one's pretty cool. I haven't seen that one yet. But no Magikarp. Not yet. That's what we're on the hunt for. Oh, looks like we got something. Looks like we got a something. That is not bad. That is not bad at all. As I said, I like the EX cards. There's just something about them. Kind of brings back that old school. All right, let's see. Nope, not today. Come on, Magikarp. We are going fishing. Fishing for a Magikarp. And let's Let's take a look. Nope. No Magikarp here. So I've been asked a couple times, what do I do with my bulk? With my bulk, I like to actually hold on to it. I will hold on to, I don't send it in. I don't take it anywhere to sell it off or anything. But I will actually hold on to it. And if somebody's looking for a card or whatever, usually I'll let them have it. So if they need a, reverse holo that will complete their master set or whatever, usually I just see if I have it and they come pick it up. And no Magikarp. Come on, Magikarp. Where are you at? Where is this Magikarp? Maybe not in this box. Maybe not in this box. Oh, look at that. I got a Gary, but no Magikarp. Again, elusive Magikarp. Well, guys, getting towards the end here and there's no Magikarp. Let me know what you guys are hunting in this set. Is there anything in particular you're looking for? Anything that's, there we go. That's nice. Oh, well, get that for you guys to take a look at. It is not bad. Not bad at all. Let me know if there's any cards you guys are looking for. What cards out of the set that you're, really on the hunt for. I know she's one of the ones everybody's hunting down. I know that one's one that everybody's hunting down. But which one are you wanting? Which one are you looking for? Which one's your favorite? Is it a common card? I know, as I said, I like Magikarp. Always have, so. And actually super happy that they gave him a nice art for this one. But looks like he may have eluded me today. It looks like he may have eluded me today. All right, folks. Last pack magic. Can I do it? Can I do it? See what we get. Oh, is that one? I think there's something behind it. So let's put that one there. And nice. I've got that one actually in Japanese from opening boxes. So looks like we got some decent pulls. Not no Magikarp. He eludes me for another day, but at least we were able to pull some decent ones. That's a pretty card. I like that. I wonder if my daughter's going to try to take that one from me. That's a good one. And I always like this guy. He always reminded me of some sort of Chinese fighter. I don't know, just that's probably the weirdest shit y'all have heard, or excuse me, weirdest stuff y'all have heard. But I like that art. That's a good art too. All right, guys, as I said, and don't forget our gold card. All right, guys, don't forget, like, share, comment. Let me know what you guys are looking for. I'd appreciate it so much. Until next time, we'll be busting some packs. Thanks, guys. Good night.